Hi, hello. Hello. My name is Rifdi. It's me presenting my server sockets. I'm gonna run through every feature. Okay, so first things first is on. I need to log in with another account on this client. Give you a moment. Okay, so there's everything here. There's show password. There's the guest login feature, which I'm not gonna press it. There's the sign up, which will take you to the register screen, and there's the reset password, which works. Yeah, quite straightforward. That's not yeah. So when you log in, actually, everyone joins the same lobby. So basically, every player will see each other. Okay, so I will run it from top to bottom. So as you can see at the top, there's a MOTD. The MOTD loads and it derives from a PlayFab. So it will update in real time if it changes in PlayFab. So the first thing is profile. This is the JSON actually. So as you can see, both are quite different. So you can see that there's the ID card, which is actually the prefab, the prefab ID shrunk down, followed by the display name, the level, which this guy is insanely high, level 16, and then all these JSON values. So there's an edit mode if you want to edit anything inside. Okay, now moving on. The shop, I shall touch the shop first. So the shop is okay. So the shop will display a list of shop items, followed by what's in your inventory. So I can like purchase an item, and it'll give me a prompt. It says purchase a food, and then when I press the inventory, then it should show up. So I press a lock, for example, then it should show up over here. Save him. Default guy currently doesn't have anything, so if you can see, he only has like one heart. Yep. Okay. Okay. So the second thing, friends. Yes. No, leaderboard. Yeah. Let's touch leaderboard first. Okay. So leaderboard. There's the global, local, and the friends leaderboard. Ignore the title displacement. I think it's something to do with the window size. Yep. Okay, makes sense. Okay, so there's the global, the local, and the friends. So right now only I think Gandhi is the and default guys are the only friends with each other. While zombies outside of the picture. So yeah, it displays everything. So the stars correlate to the high score of the player basically. Okay, let's move on. There's a chat, so it's quite simple. It's the in-game chat uses race events. So if I put like hello, it will show up there, and the guy say, "You, how you doing?" Yeah. So that's the chat working. So yeah. Okay, next thing is the friends. So if I'm on Gandhi's screen, is this guy here? It will show up that it has no friends. Actually, it is because it's under the is under default guys friend list, which I actually tested the other day. Let me go remove him first. Okay, so I can decline the friend request, which I did that time. Okay, so now I'll show you the options menu is easier. Actually, I show you this first. So add friends, you can search for friends. So if I search for default guy, I search and then I add him. Let's say friend request, and then our default guy screen, it will show up here. Yep. Okay, there I can accept. Now after I accept, it should show in the friend list. Yep. Okay, that's nice. And Gandhi, which is Gandhi? Yeah, this guy's Gandhi. Okay. Yep. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. And then you can unfriend the guy, and then you unfriend both sides also. Okay. Next. Yeah. Okay. Next. Let's move on to the play options. So you see this gear beside their name. You can actually click on it. So if I'm on Gandhi screen right now. I press on default guy screen. It will bring up the options. So if I press add friend, they will send a direct friend request. So I don't have to search for him. I can just look for it here. Then it'll be over here. Then you'll see, oh, Gandhi sent me a friend request. Then it'll show here. Okay. Now the second thing is the trait. Yeah, let's touch on trait. No, actually let's touch on guild first. Yeah, guild is easier. So guild. So for now it's quite experimental. It's not fully developed. So honestly, the most you can do is you can create a guild. So like hello guild. I choose attack. Then there's like the regions, there's Latin America, maybe, Japanese maybe, and then this is a guild. So these are all tied to the entity object guild, but at the moment it's still experimental. So I can churn out this content in the client, but using it in CloudScript is uh, quite bugged. So by right, it's supposed to change this also. You should be able to change this also, but it's not implemented yet. So I create a guild, and then you immediately make Gandhi join the guild. So now he's under the role administrators. Yeah, level. All of this is not updated. Yeah, so this is all just still experimental. So by right, I think default guy shouldn't be able to see it. Yep. Which is kind of kind of sad. So if I quit the guild, which it works, and then I put a search for hello guild under here. So right, it will show up here. Yeah, and nothing happens. Okay, then if I press delete the group, okay, this is just an admin function but it works so now it won't show up anymore. Yep. Okay, so next thing, trade. Trade quite straightforward. If I'm Gandhi, I press this guy's here and I press the trade button. It will prompt for trade on default guy screen. So default guy will get the trade request from Gandhi. Then if I decline, then it will say default guy decline your trade request. Then if I ask again, and I accept, then it will open up the trade screen. And under here, I can offer anything. So right now, the only thing he has, default guy has is a heart. So I'm not gonna trade heart actually. I'm just gonna leave it. So basically, I can give so I can give him like 4 locks, for example. Yeah, and then it will show up on his screen. Then if I press confirm, they will wait for me to confirm the offer also. So technically, I can offer a heart, but if I don't want to, I can just click it again and cancel. Okay. But if I cancel, like straight away, like I just don't want to trade with the guy anymore, I can just like that. Then say, I need to pin cancel the trade. Okay. That's quite straightforward. Okay, so this time I do it on default guy screen. So it's like there's a comparison. Yep, yep. And then over here we have the star, the star, the star. Yeah, you press confirm. Okay, it's quite buggy, but yeah, it kind of works. Then if I press confirm, then boom, showing progress. Basically, that's mutual. It's mutual from both sides. Yeah, it's taking a while. Yeah, trade successful. Okay. Now if I look at Gandhi's inventory, yep, there shouldn't be anything. I might just buy something myself. Yep, it's all not there. And yeah, now trading is also quite experimental actually. So it doesn't update the inventory or of the bed, but yeah, it works. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, I should show you guys the shop trading thing. So not shop trading, the equipping. So if I equip items, I can actually use them in the game. So if I continue the pin now, I go up. Then these are basically multipliers So if I by right, the default points you get for passing this is 1. But with more items, the higher the multiplier is. Like this is 2 times 3, I think. So it's 6. That's why it times over, so I can get more points from the thing. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yep. Okay. Thank you.